This anti so person to data no answer about link no so. So about link no so no pay site no ma. We bring the talk data house. Now we scroll down. Now about buy data no so. Nti obo buy data no so ha say no bon say that data has a hand. That means person to data. Person to afa na wa select afa. Person track orders na wa ba ha say nti o to data no answer MTN na wa bo buy now no so. Nti ha say no and one say ubebo phone number person would receive data no so. Now if you was select data package no from 1 gig through to 100 gigabyte na ope bia na wa select nti so ubebo phone number ni say ya. So obo phone number ni say we are now if we select data package say 5 gig na opia na wa select 5 gig we are na wa bo continue as single than so. Nti I say no we make sure so be enter o momo number would be to sika so no answer I say wabo wallet type no so number we say would make payment na MTN mobile money AirTelTigo cash and I say be TELECEL cash na wa select so we are now say amount and I say momo number we say would make payment na wa enter no I say kama to we are now able continue no so that say we say umba validate wo number no nti na mo be make payment no ba appear wa hase na ma wo person receive data no ba appear wa hase data wo person receive no hase 5 gig na fi network near MTN na amount no be turn so hase oya no take time wa can instructions so hase no na fi wa bo continue no so to bo continue so no wa bo proceed no so nti we are say na very crucial omo be send OTP digit code akoma na ma wo person would make payment no so na be on betumi send payment authorization afi wabo omo pin would make payment through mobile money account we be say OTP no ni na afi ma enter OTP no kama asha nti we are no wabo verify OTP no so to be say verify wa verify area no on be send payment authorization about phone so na afi wabo momo pin atwese na afi so why they will make sure so make payment no aka say from one wallet to MTN omote some small charges na afi why ento momo pin we are na afi so why then wa confirm it we confirm we are eno anu no na afi so person to afa so very simple bo buy data so na afi waba afa orders no so afa orders no and once you enter within our Ghana card no so now if you enter Ghana card number if you enter date of birth phone number person would register our phone so why enter what say now if you location so we come say no enter so we come say region e be Ashanti region no enter now if occupation why enter farmer irrespective of who you are or irrespective of the kind of worker we and for we macro we and also make sure so be enter farmer wa hase na if wabo continue no so na if wa for process we dey tua data no so ka no na if wa for the same process na also o ato o afa as simple as that afi so pa obetumi adwene me Telegram community app me drop day to day updates about this particular platform and as a website editor data and also bobo click to join so now and call WhatsApp straight to be talk tech data house no make sure so be join this groups na also to me enya day to day update every talk tech so say na etie na me say data na very fast auto enchebia na aba ya no make sure say we the platform ya to data kama